Did you know that Google's AI overviews are providing misinformation at a scale possibly unprecedented in the history of human civilization? This shocking stat highlights the importance of using reliable AI tools in your business. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 AI tools that can help you automate your tasks, create content, and boost productivity. First, let's talk about Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that allows you to take notes, create databases, and build pages. With its feature called templates, you can easily create a dashboard for your business and customize it to fit your needs. For example, you can use Notion to create a project management dashboard that tracks your tasks, deadlines, and team members. Notion offers a free plan, as well as a pro plan for $10 per month. It's perfect for freelancers and small teams who need a flexible and customizable workspace. Next up is Jasper. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that can help you create high-quality content in minutes. With its feature called content generation, you can input a topic and Jasper will generate a well-structured and engaging article. For instance, you can use Jasper to create blog posts, social media posts, or even entire books. Jasper offers a pricing plan of $29 per month, making it a great tool for content creators who need to produce high-quality content quickly. Now, let's talk about Claude. Claude is an AI chatbot that can help you automate your customer support and sales conversations. With its feature called Conversation Flow, you can create custom conversation flows that fit your business needs. For example, you can use Claude to create a chatbot that helps customers with frequently asked questions or even closes sales deals. Claude offers a pricing plan of $10 per month, making it an affordable tool for anyone who wants to automate their customer support. Another powerful tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI that can help you generate human-like text based on a prompt. With its feature called Conversation Mode, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT and it will respond accordingly. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your business, create content, or even have a conversation with your customers. ChatGPT is free to use, making it a great tool for marketers who need to generate high-quality content quickly. Lastly, let's talk about Gemini. Gemini is a research tool developed by Google that allows you